We're eating peas again. And Haley's helped feeding her. Although she likes to growl while she's eating, like a doggy. Haley, it's dripping. Here, give it to me. I'm making a mess. Can you turn the light on, Haley? Why are you growling, little lady?
You like to growl, huh? You like to growl. Would it be easier if I did that?
Here, Angelia. Angelia.
Want food?
Hold the camera on her. Don't shake it. Here you go.
Angelia's eating peas. Wonder what she'll eat next. Maybe broccoli. Or
Stop. You gotta stay still, please. There you go.
You like to growl.
Does that mean you don't like the peas because you're growling?
Who is this that you're going to give this video to?
Her daddy.
Oh, is he watching right now?
No.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Daddy. We miss you.
We love you. Angelia likes to growl, and so do I. I bet she'll copy me.